Boom.
Should I start from the beginning for the recording?
Yeah, you know what? You right now.
Let's do a summary.
Just go over it.
So the first thing you do is you write down 27.74 because that's your given. Step number 1 is convert to moles. Bring the grams MGOH to the bottom because we need to cancel the unit. And on top is, since we're converting to moles, has to be moles on top. Makes sense, right? Mm-hmm. And then what we get is 1 mole of MGOH is 58.31 because that is the molar mass. Step number 2 is the mole ratio, so we have to take the MGOH, bring it down here. And up top is going to be H2O because that's what we're looking for. 6 comes from the coefficient 6. 3 comes the coefficient 3 for MGOH. That's step number 2. Step 3 is converting to? What are we converting to?
Unit desire.
And what unit do we desire? Grams. So we need to convert mole H2O to? How do we do that? Grams H2O on top, correct. So we have grams H2O on top. And you guys notice, I don't even put my numbers in, I just set it up with the units first. Because after that, the numbers go into play. Now it's also going to its own place automatically. Now, what number goes with moles other than the mole ratio? What's the only number you could put in moles except during the mole ratio?
1.
So what do you have to put here?
1.
1. Now 1 mole of water is equal to how many grams? What do you have to find then? It's molar mass. So what's the molar mass of water? 18. You need to you better know how to find molar mass of water. You can't, you are. Get off your phone. Okay. Now to put this into your calculator. Mr. Edwards and I differ on how to put this into your calculator.
Yes, we do.
But for me, the simple way to do it is how do you put it into your calculator? 58.74 times 6. Everybody take your calculator. Times 6, hit enter. Times 18, hit enter. Divided by 58.31, hit enter. Divided by 3, hit enter.
All right, so on the audio, it's going to come out weird because he said something. It should have been 27.74 times. You said 58.3.
Oh, I'm sorry. 27.74, the top number, times 1, but we're fine there. Times 6, hit enter. Times 18, hit enter. Because any number at the top, you multiply with. On the bottom, you're going to divide. So you're going to divide 58.31, hit enter. You notice I'm hitting enter at each step in the calculator? Divided by 3, hit enter. What do you get for your answer? 17.13 is the correct answer.
Isn't it
Grams H2O, correct. The unit 17 is the answer 17.13 grams. Don't put the answer there though. That's weird.
I had room.
No more room.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness.
Is that too much work if you doesn't look like crap if it's you just look at it for the first time?
Wait, are you guys going to post this on school?
I am going to post this on Schoology.
Okay.
Is that like too much crap?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
But do you have your notes written down too separately? The problem?
Yeah.
Good, good. Now, what is your homework? You ready for what your homework is?
Is it this?
The same worksheet from yesterday.
The ones that were crossed out?
The one from yesterday. And keep this out because we're going to put this on Power School in just a second. We put this in the grade book. But on yesterday's homework, the ones you did last night. So we count to grams. Oh, you already did something. You only need to do numbers 2 and 5 on that worksheet from yesterday's homework. Number 2 and 5. 2 and 5. And then, did you guys pick up a lab today?
Yeah.
The pre-lab questions 1, 2, and 3. Now, to do the pre-lab questions, to get the formulas right, for number 1, write a balanced chemical equation for the experiment. You need to have your back of your periodic table, so you have to get the formulas right. Your formulas are very, very important. Everybody, take out the pre-lab. Take out the pre-lab for a second. Underline for me, see where it says in the laboratory activity, you will produce 2.00 grams of calcium carbonate. Underline calcium carbonate for me. Label that product. That's your product. That's one of your products.
Can I go get some water?
Hold on, let's finish this part up. From aqueous solution of calcium chloride. Calcium chloride, is that going to be your reactant or product? If it says from,